naka Benigno Aquino 500 ang ano niya, oh. Merong hindi tumayo, yun yung mga guilty, hindi na tumayo eh. Alam nila na sila yung pinatamaan ni PBBM.
Para hindi na maulit, so that this will not happen again. First, the DPWH will immediately submit to me a list of all flood control projects from every region that were started or completed in the last 3 years.
Patay kayo
Second,
ngayon.
the Regional Project Monitoring Committee shall examine that list of projects and give a report on those that have been failures, those that were not finished, and those that are alleged to be ghost projects.
Ayan, problemado ang mga muka. Problemado ang mga muka eh. Paano